Hello, welcome to Quick Bites with TA. Today we're going to be making flatbreads. For these we're going to need a cup of flour, salt, baking powder, and a half a cup of yogurt. For this recipe you're going to want to make sure that your yogurt is plain and low fat. You don't want non-fat and you don't want Greek yogurt because they will mess with your moisture content. Into the bowl with the flour, followed by a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well. Make a well in the center and add the yogurt. Stir until just about combined. It's going to look a little weird at first, like it's never going to make a dough, but just keep going with the spoon and it'll all come together eventually. Once the mixture starts to come together like this, you can go in with your hands. You just want to knead it together. It might seem a little sticky. That's okay. Once you've got it gathered into a ball like this, you're going to take it and put it on a floured surface. Now you're going to knead it. To do this, just fold the dough over on itself and press down. Just like that. You might need some more flour. Continue to knead for 1 minute or until the mixture forms a smooth, soft dough. Like that. Place back into the bowl, cover, and let rest for 15 minutes. Once the dough is rested for 15 minutes, uncover it and put it back on the same floured board you used. Preheat a cast iron pan on high heat. Cast iron is best for this, but if you only have a regular skillet, that's all right too. Cut the dough in half, roll each half roughly back into a ball, and roll out. You want it to be about 1/8 of an inch thick. Like that. Once it's hot, add enough oil to coat the bottom of the pan and swirl so you get even distribution. Add the flatbread. Cook for 2 minutes or until puffed up and golden brown on the bottom. If you think it's ready to be flipped, feel free to slide a flipper under there and check. Not quite. Now it's ready. Cook for 2 more minutes on the other side or until golden brown. And that's it! Ready to eat. Enjoy them by themselves or with your favorite dip. This has been Quick Bites with TA. See you next time.